Good morning and welcome to another beautiful edition of pre-market analysis for today, Wednesday, 8 October 2025. We are going to be looking at the market runs of Tuesday, 7th, which was yesterday, when we saw the market rebounding back with a bullish run. Remember that this is not a financial or trading advice, so please do your due diligence before investing. So let's dive right into yesterday's market section. On our market close for Tuesday 7th, the Nigerian Stock Exchange NGX maintained its bullish momentum as the all-share index ASI rose by 1,238.74 points, which is 0.86% increase from what we had on Monday to close at 144,822.78, marking the third consecutive session of gains, despite a dip in overall activity, with the number of deals dropping by 13.56%. The volume traded slipping slightly by 2.43%. The market witnessed a strong rebound in value turnover, which surged 67.09% to 24.28 billion naira yesterday. This indicates that investors shifted focus towards high value transaction in large cap stocks, driving the market higher even amid reduced trade frequency. The sustained upward trend highlights renewed investors' confidence supported by earnings optimism and selective positioning in key sectors. Overall, the session reflected a value-driven rally with strong institutional participation and targeted buying rather than broad-based activity by what we could see yesterday. And when you compare the snapshot between Monday and Tuesday yesterday, you can see that jump in the figures. And when you look at the number of deals for Monday, it was higher, but the market turnover was lower. But for Tuesday, the number of deals was decreased. It took a dip of 13.56%. So the transactions in terms of volume and turnover increased in terms of turnover, but still reduced in terms of volume. So more high cap stocks were transacted on yesterday. And the market closed at 24.28 billion naira for the turnover, which is an increase of 67.09% from what we experienced on Monday, which closed at 14.5. And from there, we can check the top gainers of yesterday. Number one, we have Cornest, which closed at 6 naira 65 kobo, indicating a 9.92% gain. Followed by Cornhall PLC, which closed at 4 naira 37 kobo, indicating a 9.52% gain. And then Charms once again makes number three, closing at 4 naira 62 kobo, indicating a 9.22% gain. Then we have VFD Group on number four, closing at 11 naira 9 kobo, indicating a 9.17% change. And International Energy Insurance also closing at 2 naira 96 kobo, indicating an 8.82% gain. And for the top losers, we have Living Trust, which closed at 5 naira 94 kobo, indicating a 10% loss. Austin Lars closed at 3 naira 15 kobo. Julie closed at 8 naira 95 kobo. Livestock also at number 4 for top losers, closed at 7 naira 4 kobo, and Tantalizer closed at 2 naira 32 kobo, indicating a 6.45% loss. And when we look at the expected market performance for today, the Nigerian Stock Exchange is likely to open with a continuation of its bullish trends, which we experienced yesterday following the strong performance driven by high value trades in large cap stocks. The ASI advanced to 144,822.78, reflects resilient investor sentiment and a preference for quality over quantity in trades. While deal and volume numbers remain subdued, the sharp rise in turnover points to a robust institutional engagement. Expect a steady upward in movement even today, particularly if earnings momentum persists. For our sectoral and key stock focus, we have the large cap leaders. Momentum is strong in heavyweight stocks across banking, telecoms, and consumer goods, where targeted inflows remain concentrated. Industrial goods and energy also. This sector may continue to see selective buying as investors position for further quarterly earning releases and potential growth surprises. The defensives and growth also, expect defensives in telecoms, food, top consumer names to be in focus, while profit taking could resurface in recent outperformance in oil and gas or insurance after the notable spikes that we've seen recently in those sectors. For pre-open signals and risks for today, continued strong institutional signals, though potential turbulence if profit booking accelerates in high flyers or market fatigue surfaces. Watch for rotation into defensive and lagging segments if key indices appear stretched. Volatile swings could follow earnings, misses, or macro news surprises. Risk center on thinner volumes and broad-based buying exhaustion, which may cap further short-term upside. And the overall market look for today, we have the market's upward bias remains intact, with selectivity and value expected to drive performance. The ASI is likely to stay near recent highs, absent major profit taking or negative shocks. Stock picking in defensives along with vigilance for any reversal signal in leading sectors. It's prudent to preserve gains in a possibly overheating tape. So that's our pre-market analysis for this morning before the market opens by 10. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to do your due diligence before investing in any of the stocks on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. See you tomorrow, same time.